Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a bio in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Asana app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here we just have to tap on account, and here we just tap on the circle in the top right corner, then on view profile, then on the little pencil in the top right corner again, and then at the bottom we find about me. Here we can just tap on this and write some things that we consider important about us. Maybe we can just add our interests. For example, if we like to go running or like to go hiking, we can add these things about us, whatever we consider important. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.